Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our news channel. Today we have 100 years of EEG. How does it work and what is its significance? So, this news article is about a special kind of technology called EEG. What is the full form of EEG? It is electroencephalogram. Okay? And this this technology was produced by German physiologist Hans Berger. Okay, so first of all, these are the few facts that you need to remember. ठीक है, किसने प्रोड्यूस किया? German physiologist Hans Berger. And what does it do? Or what is its significance? इसके बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे. और now, students, we know that our body is made up of cells, right? We know this, we have learned this fact in lower grades. And what is a cell? Cell is a basic functional unit of any organism. So we have a special kind of cells. These cells are known as neurons. ठीक है? इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Neurons. Okay, oops. And neurons are what? Now imagine your brain is like a super high tech computer. It's what? Super high tech computer. And so just like a computer has wires to send messages, your brain has neurons. And neurons are what? They are tiny cells that help your brain and body to communicate. ठीक है, तो इसकी वजह से न्यूरॉन से हमारी बॉडी और ब्रेन कम्युनिकेट कर पाती है. सो हाउ न्यूरॉन्स एक्चुअली टॉक? अब एक पार्ट पे अगर हमारे मान लो कि इफ यू आर टचिंग सम हॉट सरफेस, हमारे ब्रेन को कैसे मैसेज आता है कि वो हॉट सरफेस है, और फिर ब्रेन बताता है कि नहीं, we have to remove our hand from that place. So neurons, they send messages using tiny electrical signals called impulses. ठीक है? And these neurons, we have billions of neurons. They are all working together. They help you think, remember, move, and even feel emotions. इतने ज्यादा न्यूरॉन्स इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, now neurons produce electrical charges. Isn't it fascinating to know? These neurons, they actually produce electrical charge, or simply called impulses, to send messages. मैसेज भेजने के लिए ये impulse क्रिएट करते हैं. Okay, see, this is the image of a neuron producing electrical charge. Now, how it actually works? Students, inside and outside of these neurons, देखो ये एक न्यूरॉन है, ये दूसरा न्यूरॉन है. Okay, just imagine this thing. This is a neuron. If this is a neuron, let's say, and inside and outside of neurons, there are tiny particles called ions. क्या है? Ions. तो न्यूरॉन के अंदर और बाहर tiny particles होते हैं, ions. And some ions have a positive charge while others have negative charge. So when a neuron is not sending any message, it is in a resting state. So in a resting state, there are more positive ions outside the neuron. पॉजिटिव चार्ज वाले जो आयन है ना, वो न्यूरॉन के बाहर है, ठीक है. And when a neuron decides to send any message, a special opening, there's a special openings in the neuron surface called ion channel, they open up. ठीक है, इस न्यूरॉन एक स्पेशल ओपनिंग है. तो बाहर क्या है, हमारे पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, अंदर क्या है, थोड़े नेगेटिव चार्ज है, ठीक है, आयन बेसिकली. तो जब इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को लगता है कि send any message, there's a special openings in the neuron surface and they open up. So as soon as they open up, these positive ions they rush into the neuron कि भाई हमें जाना है अंदर, दरवाजा खुल गया है, and they make the inside less negative and creating an impulse. अब जैसे ही ये पॉजिटिव आयंस अंदर गए, अंदर तो न्यूरॉन्स के अंदर गए, अब अंदर क्या था, नेगेटिव चार्ज प्रेजेंट था, तो ये पॉजिटिव वाले भी अंदर चले गए, इन्होंने अपनी पॉपुलेशन बढ़ा ली, ठीक है. सो पॉजिटिव आयंस व्हेन दे रश इनटू द न्यूरॉन, दे मेक द इनसाइड लेस नेगेटिव. अंदर नेगेटिव है, बाहर से पॉजिटिव है, तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है ना, पॉजिटिव ज्यादा हो गया. So this whole thing, it creates an electrical impulse, and this electrical impulse, it it travels down the axon, it travels down the body of this neuron. इस पूरे यहाँ पर जो चार्ज क्रिएट हुआ, इलेक्ट्रिकल इम्पल्स क्रिएट हुआ, ये टिक 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 करके पूरी न्यूरॉन की बॉडी में ट्रैवल करता है, एंड जैसे ही एंड पर पहुंचता है, दूसरे न्यूरॉन में ये इलेक्ट्रिकल इम्पल्स ट्रांसफर हो जाता है. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ द मैसेज इज बीइंग डिलीवर्ड टू ब्रेन. राइट नाउ लेट्स कम टू आवर टॉपिक, ईईजी, इलेक्ट्रोएन्सेफेलोग्राम. अब यहां पे इलेक्ट्रोएन्सेफेलोग्राम का क्या रोल है? दिस इज अ टेस्ट, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ टेस्ट that measures the electrical activity in our brain. अभी मैंने आपको बताया ना कि एक्सॉन कैसे इलेक्ट्रिकल चार्ज प्रोड्यूस करता है, सी. So EEG, this thing, this is an instrument, this is a test, and it measures the electrical activity in our brain, and it helps doctors see how your brain is working. देखो ये जो आप टेस्ट देख रहे हो ना, this is what EEG is. And how does an EEG work? See, during this test, there's a small sensors, और इन सेंसर का नाम क्या है, इलेक्ट्रोड. दे आर प्लेस्ड ऑन द स्कैल्प ऑफ अ पर्सन. देखो जैसे इस पर्सन के स्कैल्प पर ये EEG रखा हुआ है, and there are small sensors. These sensors are called electrodes, and these sensors, they pick up the electrical signals that brain cells or neurons create when they talk to each other. आपको मैंने बताया था ना कि कैसे इलेक्ट्रिकल इम्पल्स सेंड होता है न्यूरॉन्स में. So these sensors, they actually pick up the electrical signals, and they record these signals and send it to a machine that record them in a wavy line. ठीक है, तो ये सारे जो जैसे वायर भी जा रही है देखो लास्ट में, तो ये जो सारे सिग्नल्स हैं ये पिकअप करता है और एक मशीन में एक पेपर पे ड्रॉ करता है इन अ वेवी लाइन, ऐसे होता है, एंड इन अ वेवी लाइन, एंड दीज वेवी लाइन शो पैटर्न्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल एक्टिविटी इन योर ब्रेन. ठीक है, नाउ there are some facts that you need to know about the EEG. Okay, so like we have discussed till now, so how does an EEG test work? See, you can see in here it is written, the neurons that make up the human brains are constantly changing. What? They are constantly exchanging atoms, molecules proteins with their surroundings. Okay? Sometimes neurons will push ions out into the space between the neurons, and since ions of the same charge, positive वाले वही जो मैंने आपको कहानी सुनाई थी, positive charge, when they rush inside the neurons, and this whole motion, it creates big electrical activity which flows through the brain, and the electrodes, the device that are present on the scalp, they pick up these charges and track the changes in voltage as the waves move past them, creating what? Electroencephalogram. सिंपल सी बात है, न्यूरॉन ने इलेक्ट्रिकल चार्ज प्रोड्यूस किया और ईईजी ने वो डिटेक्ट किया एंड मशीन में हमें शो किया. You want to summarize this? This is a simple explanation. Okay? Now, EEG is quite an effective diagnostic test. And see, here it is written, because it helps in tracking relatively rapid electrical activity in the brain in the order of milliseconds. Milliseconds may. But there is a downside of it also. It is biased towards electrical signals generated closer to the surface of the cortex, meaning जो हमारे scalp के पास में है signals, उसको ही वो pick कर पाता है. Okay? तो न्यूरॉन्स तो पूरी बॉडी में प्रेजेंट है, वहां के उसके जो इलेक्ट्रिकल एक्टिविटी है उसको नहीं उसके बता पाएगा. ऑब्वियस सी बात है. ठीक है? And another thing about EEGs are quite effective and they are relatively simple as well as cost effective, and it doesn't take much space and doesn't emit high energy radiation, and it is non-invasive. Non-invasive का मतलब क्या है? Meaning that it doesn't involve any needles, cuts or surgery. Okay? Other procedures like open heart surgery, in that a person has to be open up, है ना, cut open there, that person has to be cut open. पर ऐसा नहीं है EEG में. It is non-invasive because it doesn't involve any kind of surgery or cuts. The electrodes that are just present stick to your scalp with a special paste and it doesn't hurt, and you can usually go home right after the test. At the same time, there's a downside of it. Because EEG can show that there is unusual activity in your brain, but it doesn't always show exactly why it's happening. It can tell if brain is working normally or if there are patterns that look like seizures or other issues. But sometimes doctor needs more information. So they might need to do other tests like MRIs or CT scans to see pictures of brain and understand what's going on. So basically, if you want to summarize, EEG is a kind of safe and easy way to look at how brain works by measuring electrical activity. It's non-invasive because it doesn't involve any pain or surgery. However, while it can show patterns of brain activity, it might not always provide a complete picture of what's happening. So doctors often use it along with other tests. All right, students, if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye, students. Have a happy learning.